No!
Hello everyone, welcome to Life of a Coffee Break. Now that she's in the mom,
Excuse me.
I know that's your channel, but I
Hello
can't.
everyone, welcome back to my.
So, welcome to Life of a Coffee Break. Now
She's soon gonna start a channel and then I'm gonna say the introduction, okay?
I'm not for this. Now we're in Khobar and we are locked down in our houses. We wanted to do something sitting in our houses.
And that is the something you can see in my
Yeah.
face.
What I like to do the most, makeup. So I wanted to do a little small, teeny, tiny bit
Very
heavy
little.
party
Very little.
makeover on Sharon, and this is what I've done. So I hope you will like it. It's okay, it happens. It's very natural.
Okay. So Sherman did my makeup after a very long time, and did you like the makeup?
I absolutely hate doing makeup on her face because she never cooperates and she's like, mama, go to the light, She does this, which I hate the most. So this is what I've done, and
Yeah. So this is something what Sherman did on my face. Did you like the makeup? This is actually a heavy makeup, I must say. The blush, contour, highlight, everything together.
and I've worked really hard to cover all her
How
imperfections.
many palettes have you used?
We've used almost 3 to 4 eyeshadow palettes. Yeah,
Okay, and how many concealer? How many foundations?
2 concealers, 1 foundation.
I must say she have worked so hard, more than a bridal makeup.
And I've used pretty much everything that I own to do. If you guys want to know how I've done this makeup on Sharon, keep watching.
Keep watching.
So we're gonna first start with her eye makeup, and for that I'm gonna use the Too Faced concealer, multi-use sculpting concealer for priming her eyes. It's in the shade Warm Beige.
Tell them what are you using?
Okay,
Which
I'm gonna
brush?
this is I'm gonna do her eyebrows, and for this I'm using the Morphe E29 brush, which has both spoolie and angle brush, and I'm gonna use ColourPop eyebrow gel in shade Redhead. Tiny bit.
Okay, so this is my eyebrows. You see this? What are you up to? Okay.
Okay.
Now next.
Next, we're gonna do our eye makeup. Now we're gonna use 2 palettes, maybe 2 or 3, maybe 4. We're using Morphe 35 palette.
Show the palette.
It's cracked.
It's okay.
Okay, this is the palette, and we'll be using most of these transition shades for her eye base.
Hi. Hi.
Okay. Okay guys, now we're gonna start with her face makeup, and for that we're gonna first correct her dark circles and dark patches that she has on her face. And for that usually people use an orange corrector. Now that we don't have an orange corrector, you can use any peach or orange lipstick, and I'm gonna use Kinda Sexy from MAC. Yeah. Now that we have corrected her face, we're gonna use this MAC Studio Fix concealer, Studio Finish concealer in NC42, and go over the corrector. Now I'm gonna use this foundation, which is Studio Fix Glow in NC40 for her face. Like the tip on. Using Morphe E6. Love this brush.
You gotta show the brush. You don't even see the brush. Where is it written?
You cannot really see that. It's very tiny. Yeah.
Oh, they can. Ha ha ha.
Are we close enough now?
Yes, very much. Look at my lips. Where is my
Okay.
lips? Where is my lips?
We're gonna fix all that and bring on it. Okay, now we're gonna contour her face and give some dimension to the face by using a bronzer. I'm gonna use Hoola by Benefit. Using a Morphe R9 brush. Okay. We're gonna use this blush from MAC, and the name is Blush Baby, and we're gonna use the Morphe E4 brush. Whatever. Spice lip liner from MAC. Contour your lips. Okay, now that we've outlined the lips, we're gonna use Huda Beauty Fizz Kiss. final thing is that we're gonna fix the eyelashes. I'm using red cherry lashes and duo glue. For the highlighter, we're using ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in West.
Say
That's all
something.
the products. No.
Say hello. Say bye bye. Subscribe to my channel. Yalla.
Hello.
Say bye bye.
Hi kids! Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. The video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. If you like my makeup, do let me know in the comment box below. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.
And do let me know in the comment section how my makeup skills are.
Bye bye.
See this? So cute.
I want to do something in the home. Wait,
Yalla, continue.
If you want to know how I've done this makeup, keep watching. Tekti boy. Okay.
I don't use these foundations.
Really? She used to put bronzer like Maybelline, Revlon.
Look at the building. Okay.
All
See,
what
look,
I've
I
done.
am tall.
So that's all what I've done. So
Okay.
bye
Yalla. 1, 2. Thank you. Bye bye. Did you just notice that I'm taking a
camera.
video?
Okay.
Did you just? What just happened here?